Welcome to Talking Football with T. Instead of my brother Mo, instead of Theo. Today we're going to go to Papa Imam Theo. My brother. So give me all impressive mama.
Mostly very important because like there's this
Conception.
Consistency.
There was no one-man show.
Even though there's a
Hi, this is Talking Football with T and Mr. Sitola. We're going to go on Papa Diamamu.
Hayi igame beyirathi kakhulu mfowethu.
Yes.
Sizonijabule kakhulu ngoba abafana bayenze into kade siyifuna.
Yes.
Ngoba sizelana sidlala 3 points.
Yes.
So now sine 3 points, sine 2 goals.
Yes.
Ngamanye amagama siphezulu, defending champions. Siyama defending champion.
Yes. If the league was to end today, already we reach here.
Already the reach here happen.
Yes.
Lebuka bafana baka.
Yes.
Babolisitshe kuri basebenza.
Basebenza. Ke mama le khashlang the most.
The most is also a police.
A police. Yes. No, 10 triple 1.
10 triple 1.
Yeah.
10 triple 1 is the
Midfield of the season.
Midfield of the season. Even this season again.
Yes, wait here.
We actually have.
Yes.
Also with our police.
Apagaji to see you again here at Orlando Amstel Arena.
In Orlando.
MTN 8 will be defending it.
In Orlando. So MTN 8. Siphinde sithathe ne-Nedbank.
Yes.
Sithathe ne-Carling Cup.
Yes.
Siyothatha
Ikhefu.
Nali ibhodi operation thatha zonke.
Operation Uncle. I'm good. We're going to go on Papa Diamamu.
Yes, I think in the first half they did a sluggish front.
Yes.
It did a second half they managed to come back to the game.
Yes.
Kudos to the coach for bringing in the substitutions in the second half. They brought a new energy.
New energy, yes.
And also I like what the new signing.
Yes, 49.
49.
Yes.
Yeah, on the left, on the right hand side.
He's very good.
Yeah, very good.
He doesn't waste time on the ball.
No.
He's always like dishing out those passes.
But I must say something. And it may be a bit controversial, but I believe Thomas
Yes.
is too slow for this system.
Yes, yeah, wow.
Very slow.
I agree with you.
Very slow. Because he can't really speak.
But he's the best.
His reaction is also very slow.
Yes.
So you put him there, what you do.
The coach must find a solution.
Yeah. And we don't want politics to be involved.
Yes, you don't want the dressing room to be toxic.
Yes.
I hear you, my brother.
Otherwise, next against Devon City, let us be more clinical, let us be more...
Finish our chances,
finish our chances,
and
yeah.
even defensively we must be solid.
Yeah, because you know what I noticed? Between the two centre backs, Rest defense helps us a lot because he's really really. He's the lone man just to arrive home midfield.
Yes.
So when these two ones have a bit of an issue, we can always cover
for them.
But it can't happen in every match, unfortunately.
Other teams will punish you.
Yeah. Especially if you go to the continent. Even now, for the preliminary rounds,
they can punish you.
Yeah, so
you remember what happened to us in Congo when they gave us 3-0?
Yeah, and you didn't even see the game, so you can't even give in-depth information on the parties. But overall, I'm happy with the general performance of the president as balance party. It's not easy to improve. Go to the basic. The game still do the same thing. They'll sit back, want to continue the counter or take out the penalties, and you know, as the penalties is a bit of an issue.
Now, otherwise, my brother, thank you so much for speaking to us. Do follow us on YouTube, Talking Football with T.